Hello, guys. It is Thursday, October 1st. Welcome to October. So let's go ahead and dive into what we're up to today. Very short day. So, first off, you'll complete your 29th daily journal, which, if you click on it, the prompt is still kind of about friendship, but here's what I'd like to hear. Who are some of your best friends? What do they like? Why are they your best friends? I'd just like to hear what kind of people do you enjoy being around and why. You don't have to name names if you don't want to, but I'd like to hear a little bit about what are some of your best friends like as people, etc. And then our only other task for today is a discussion board post. This is our seventh one. So we're going to talk about friendship in this post, and this is part one of that discussion. Next week, we're going to read some more stories that relate to the study of friendship. But for now, we're going to think about friendship and the ingredients, the story that you've read this week in two parts. So let's look at what you are up to. You have 2 steps to complete, as always. You always have that old page, the do's and don'ts of discussion board, to help you if you need to see it. And here we go. So in your post, there are 3 questions for you to answer. And here's what they say. 1, it says, there isn't a whole lot of action in this story. So explain, why do you think Jason Reynolds wrote the story? Or what do you think Jason Reynolds is trying to show us in this story? Because, right, there's not like a real conflict per se or a big event. It's mostly just some friends spending time together and laughing a lot. So maybe tell me about, why do you think the story was written? What's the point? Number 2, I'd like you to tell me specifically, what do you think Jason Reynolds is trying to show us about friendship in this story? Like, what is this story saying about the idea of friendship? And lastly, tell me, how is dialogue important in this story? And if you remember, dialogue is when characters talk. So, for instance, all throughout the story, the characters spoke to each other and had conversations. Explain how their talking or their conversations were important in this story. And then, of course, I'd like you to pick 2 classmates' posts to respond to, and that'll be your assignment for today. Good luck. I hope you enjoy thinking about the story and writing a little bit and responding to each other. If you have any questions, email me or use the question board, and I'll gladly get back to you.